1st April 2026, the Department of History organized a special lecture on the theme Revisiting Rise of Nationalism and Social Groups in India at Salesian College, Sonada. The session was delivered by Dr. Saurabh Chetri, who provided valuable insights into the historical evolution of nationalism in India. The program began with a prayer led by Brother Jimlistar Lingdo, creating a reflective atmosphere for the event. The session was emceed by Shrishtina Subba, who formally introduced Dr. Chetri and honored him with a traditional kada. Dr. Chetri engaged students with a detailed discussion on key concepts such as nationalism, militant nationalism, and peasantry. His lecture encouraged critical thinking and helped students understand the role of different social groups in shaping the nationalist movement in India. An interactive question and answer session followed, where students actively participated and sought clarifications, making the session more engaging and insightful. The program concluded with a vote of thanks delivered by Brother Jimlistar Lingdo. As a token of appreciation, Ms. Srishti Rai, head of the department, presented a memento to the speaker. Overall, the lecture was highly fruitful, enabling students to deepen their understanding of important historical concepts and their relevance in today's context.